Why therefore did you request for 11 billion for 2023? Yun po bang May 2024 na sinasabi nyo? Does this pertain to the 2 billion disbursement?
Hindi, ma'am. This pertains to the 8 billion more.
So nasaan po yung 8 billion? Where are the computer sets now?
Ang binabanggit ng former DepEd Secretary ay ang dapat daw po sumagot ang officials ng DepEd na haharap ngayon at iniwasan pong sagutin yung topic na ito. So last week ay niraise natin yung tanong na ito regarding the DepEd confidential funds on 2023.
So to answer po yung question kung alam ba namin yung details ng pinagamitan, we do not know because we're not part of the process po ng utilization and liquidation.
Nakakalokang mga eksena dito. Watch the full highlights video.